Previously on Jezebel.
I go fuck you. I go fuck you.
It's okay, mommy loves you anyway.
I'm free on Friday if you want to do something.
Alright, so you wanna go?
Stop calling my phone. Stop coming over.
Are you even sure it's Jermy's child?
Excuse me?
Alright, let me find out if she man. You know how you
Do your thing. You're your own big man. Do your thing.
Yo, Tasha, listen me, don't hang up, right? You need to get rid of that baby there. Don't make Jermy find out.
Hello? Yo.
What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong with you?
What Andrew mean about get rid of baby?
When did he say that? Why would he say that?
I just had him on the phone. Your phone.
Babe, can you stop yelling at me? Stop yelling. What is he talking about?
Tasha, listen, you don't eat that, you know.
Baby, no.
You don't eat that, you know.
Baby.
How for pitney this?
It's
How
yours.
for
Babe,
How for
I
pitney
don't know
this?
what Andrew's talking about. You gotta listen to me. That's your friend.
How for
I
pitney?
don't know.
How for pitney this?
Baby.
You feel me around to them? How for pitney this?
Baby, stop. Let me talk to you.
Tell me how for pitney this.
Can I talk to you? Can I just talk?
Stop. Let off for me. Start talking now.
Okay. I don't know what Andrew's talking about. I don't know why he called my phone. Maybe he was trying to. It was the wrong number.
Him name come up in your phone and him start talk like you anima talk long time. Look like me I eat that. Hey, girl, you don't fit me now. And how for pitney this?
Babe!
How for pitney
Stop
this?
it! It's our baby! It's our baby! We're gonna have a baby! I swear! I didn't do anything wrong! Babe!
Tasha, look for me good. Tasha, you feel me around for them?
Okay.
Tasha, how for pitney this?
Okay,
Who for pitney this?
Listen, baby.
Start talk.
A long time ago, Andrew came here looking for you, and I was drinking, and I didn't want it to happen, baby. I didn't want it to happen. I didn't want it to happen, baby. I swear.
Look up.
No.
Look up.
No.
You better let go for me.
Baby, I swear.
Look up.
I'm sorry.
I'm my best friend, you know. You want him there? You want him there? Go on. Do your things there, my papa.
It was only one time.
When was this?
It was one time, baby.
When is? Which one?
No.
Look up.
Baby, it was one time.
You mean one
It
time?
was an accident.
How much time?
Jermy.
How much time was in a day?
One time, not. He was looking for you. He was looking for you. Please, Jeremy, no. Stop. I'm so sorry.
You better make sure so when we come back, the pocket things and let me out.
No, where are you going? Where are you going, Jeremy? Jeremy, hold it, Jeremy.
Trust him, you know. Trust him as my bumbucklad friend.
Yo, Jermy!
Hey Brittany. What's up? Yo. I'm about to pull up over your house. No, I just want somebody to talk to, you know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, you know, I've been an asshole, you know, all week, and I've been, you know, neglecting you and stuff like that. I just need somebody to talk to. You're the only person I can call right now, you know what I'm saying? I just need that right now from you. Alright, babe? I'm about to come over your house right now. I'm like 5 minutes away. Alright? Alright, I'll see you. Bye.
Jermy, are you okay? You sounded really sad on the phone. Babe, what's wrong? Have you been drinking?
Just a whole heap of things I go through my head right now, yo. Cause like me and Tasha go at it last night.
What happened?
Me find out say the baby on mine.
What do you mean the baby's not yours, babe?
She and Andrew have an affair behind my back. For how long?
Andrew?
Yeah.
I mean, I was just talking to Andrew to make you jealous, but... Andrew, babe? Isn't that your best friend? What are you gonna do?
Right now, I'm not even, like, you're the only person right now I can just call and just trust. I have to make
Babe,
sure
you know I'm here for you no matter what.
Make sure see I'm baby alright right now. See me? Me no really right now me can't focus. Me have drive whole night up and down. Me just need for this. I got booking a hotel.
Babe, why would you go to a hotel? You know you can always stay with me.
Yeah, but me just want there by myself right now to figure out some things.
Do you have any clothes? Do you want me to grab you some clothes from the house?
No, me no really want you to go over my house right now. Me just want do everything what me I do and just figure out what me I do right now. Cause right now me and Tasha figure really like figure out this, cause like she have a baby for her next man. Zine? I'm frustrated like.
Babe, you know I'm here for you no matter what. I'm sorry. I know I told you I didn't smash your glass, but I was really upset, and you know the baby and the hormones.
Listen, and that, listen, I apologize for, you know what I'm saying, neglecting you when it came to you telling me that you're pregnant. I'm sorry, okay?
I forgive you, babe.
The only thing I care about right now is just you, okay?
Okay.
And I'm sorry. You know, we just have, right now, we just, no.
Well, you know, if you need anything, just let me know. I'm here for you, babe.
I'm gonna just go book into a hotel and then come by later. You know what I'm saying? I see you. Okay?
Okay, babe.
I gotta go over to my house, man. Gotta go see her.
Do you want me to come with you?
I don't know right now. I don't think that's a good idea. I don't know. Just Brittany, let me just figure out things right now. The only reason I'm gonna come link you is just because like we just need somebody to vent with right now. Come in and know how that party I go. How me I go move forward right now.
Babe, it's your house. Kick her out.
Alright. I'm about to go book into a hotel, have a shower, just relax my mind. Okay?
Alright, well, call me if you need anything. I'll make dinner for you.
Alright.
So I'll call you when it's ready.
Alright.
Alright.
Brittany, it's not a good time. Can you come back?
I'm just here to grab a few things for Jermy.
Bitch, what?
I'm here to grab a few things for Jermy.
What do you... Okay, grab a few things for Jared.
Yeah, you heard that right. He told me the baby's not his.
And what does that have to do with you? Why are you even talking to Jeremy anyways?
Let's just say that me and Jermy have a bond.
What kind of fucking bond, Brittany? What kind of bond?
A bond that you guys don't have.
Bitch, don't let me beat your ass right here. Like, seriously? What the fuck are you talking about? You're not getting shit for Jeremy. Jeremy want his shit. He needs to come back home to his wife. You're not his wife, Brittany. Go find a fucking man.
I'm not his wife yet. It's okay.
I'm going to shut my door and pretend you're not in my fucking face with this bullshit.
Oh my god.
G-shit, Brittany.
You're talking so much.
Oh my god.
You need
I'm
to
pregnant. I don't have time for this.
Yeah,
get out my
that's not
face.
Jeremy's
Get
job.
out my face. Get out my face. And
Unlike you, sweetie, I'm having Jeremy's child.
bitch! Get the fuck out.
She's gonna regret that.
Tasha,
Andrew.
how the fuck you make Jeremy answer the phone?
No, I didn't show him I didn't give him my phone at all.
Yo, the nigga just run up. Yo.
Andrew, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on.
Alright, me go come over there right now.
Andrew.
Yo, me not think it a go escalate no. I wait a go. Me come over there come talk to you.
Okay, yeah. I'll see you in a little. Andrew,
What Jeremy?
you cannot be here right now.
What Jeremy?
Andrew, you gotta go. Andrew, you gotta go.
Nah, we'll have to talk. I'm gonna have to talk to
Andrew,
Jeremy.
what's wrong with your eye?
Jeremy run up on me. I need now go up. No, I need.
Jeremy hit you? Let me see your eye. What the fuck? Oh my fucking. Oh my god, Andrew, this is too fucking much. This is too much, Andrew. What the fuck?
Yo, when you come over after talk, like really? I don't know what we're
He's not here.
You wait till him come.
No, he's not coming. Don't you get it? He knows it's your fucking child, and he left me. He left me. What the fuck I'm gonna do now?
No, Jeremy knows I'm mine. You can't dash that now, you know?
So what I'm gonna do about my family? You think he gonna stay with me with another nigga's baby?
Listen.
I can't have your baby.
Family. Fuck Jeremy.
Andrew, no. Andrew, you gotta go. Go. Can you hurry up? Go. Fuck. Hey. So I see you decided to come back home?
Tasha, I want you out of my fucking house.
I'm not leaving our house.
There is no hour after you got pregnant by Andrew? Huh?
You want to talk about me and Andrew? You got Brittany hoe ass coming to our door telling me you her man and she got your baby. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking dumb, nigga? That's my fucking best friend.
Get out of my house. And that's final.
We're not getting a divorce.
What?
I'm not moving out. Ain't none of that shit in my house now. Get the fuck off of me. You a trifling ass
You
nigga.
think this is a game?
No, it's not a fucking game. I'm dead ass fucking serious.
Here entertaining my best friend. You here?
It's not your fucking best friend. Maybe if you were busy fucking me, I wouldn't shit. Brittany, loose ass pussy.
You gonna pay
How you
for
feel?
shit?
How you feel, your dumb ass?
Get out of my house.
No, I'm not fucking leaving.
Get out of my house. Get out of my house.
I'm not leaving.
You're leaving my house
I'm not
tonight.
leaving. I'm not leaving.
Babe, is everything okay?
Oh, fuck no. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out of my house, Brittany. Get the fuck out. I'll beat your fucking ass, hoe. Beat your bitch ass. You a hoe. Kill that baby and kill your ass.
Yo, Jeremy. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. More projects coming from me. You can go check out my music on iTunes. Everyone wanna download music. You can go check them out and think how much thing. So from the cast of Jezebel, season 1 is officially over. Season 2 coming soon. Thanks again for the love and support. I'm out.
Them no want see me able, so me know say I can't them. Me a set trend pon them. Them a start and me gone left them. Girl, they never real to me. Me try give the world. Girl, they never real to me.
She's always by my side. All of the case to try. She a sacrifice cause she not deny.